Hello everyone. So today we have some special gift to unbox. This is from one of my favorite brand, and not only my favorite. No, I'm sure that it will be favorite of many people around India because it's one of the best craft store in India. That's Itsy Bitsy Craft Store. I'm so happy to receive these packages from them. So I'm not making it lengthy. Let's get into the video. I have already opened it. This is a baby boy themed paper pack which is called Little Miracle. And also this is acid free cardstock which comes with 12 sheets of 250 GSM. It also have pre-punched dolly sheet, a journaling card sheet and a sheet of element sheet. So we can see it in detail. The papers are rich in quality and they are so cute. They have sent me this. It's a packet of sequins, blue color, and this pack of die cuts. They are so cute. And this cute bottle of glitters, which is Shimmer Crash, and a craft glue. I didn't try any other glue than a Fevicol, so I'm excited to try this out. That's all about the first package, and let's go for the second one. Secondly, this package. First is this MMU 6x6 paper pack. This comes with 24 design printed acid free cardstock of 320 GSM. Okay, the previous was 250 GSM and this is of 230 GSM. I always love vintage themes and this is a kind of that. And this package comes with some beautiful element sheets. So these are them. See, I love this sheet much. Okay, so next we have these flowers. The fact I love about Itsy Bitsy is that they have a large variety of flowers. You can check their website for more. They have matching flowers for every paper pack, and they have sent me this beautiful pink shade flowers. These are handmade, and a pack of glue drops. I didn't try it yet. And next is this shabby chic bucket paper pack, which is of 12 into 12 inch. There are 12 designs of 250 GSM. These are printed acid free cardstock. All this package there are pre-punched doilies, element sheet and a journaling card sheet. These are some gorgeous papers. I loved each and every designs of this paper pack. The pink shades are so cute. These are the stuffs that I received in the second package. I'm so in love with all the stuffs, mainly these handmade flowers. And the final package. This was my favorite package because this package hold many more cute and beautiful stuffs. So I'm excited to show you. So let's see. One is this handmade flowers. So cute these are. This is of blue shade, and again handmade flower. Some tiny handmade flowers. These are so cute. And again the craft glue of little birdie, and again I'm getting this baby boy theme Little Miracle paper pack. I have already uh, shown you the details of this paper pack. I received 2 packets of the same Little Miracle pattern paper. And next we have some crystal stones, handmade butterflies, and die cut. It's an element pack of Song of the Sea. Finally, the paper pack Songs of the Sea. Okay, let me tell you about this. These are literally I'm so in love with this package. Okay, I loved each of the patterns, each of the designs, and the quality of patterns of these. These comes in 12 designs of 12 into 12 inch, 250 GSM papers printed acid free cardstock. I loved each and every patterns. Actually, I don't feel like using them. I wish I can save this forever because they are so beautiful. Let me show you. Look at the patterns. The blue vibes. Okay. See. You're so cute, so beautiful. The mermaid touch everywhere. The pre-punched doily sheet, element sheet, and finally the journaling card sheet. Okay. So we have completed with our unboxing. Each and every stuff they have sent me, mainly those paper pack, they are good in quality, and the patterns are too good. And if you wish to buy anything from their website, I have a special offer for you that you can use my code, that is Shabna5, for getting a 5% discount on every purchase you make. Okay, so don't forget the code Shabna5. You can purchase, you can check their website. I will be giving the link on the description. You can go through their website and check out their product. They are good in quality. Mainly do check it out, their handmade embellishments, handmade flowers. They have a large varieties of flowers, patterns, and every craft stuffs. And I love each and every. During the checkout, you can use my code, which is Shabna5. Okay, and thank you Itsy Bitsy for sending me all these pretty gifts. I'm so in love with all the stuffs you have sent me. They are good in quality. I'm not enough for speaking for you because I'm so happy, and they are all amazing. Do subscribe my channel for getting some creative videos and craft haul videos. Tap on the bell icon for getting the notifications as soon as possible. So okay, thank you for watching.